So guys, I've got my new styled newsletter out now. I've had a newsletter for, God, over a year now, and I decided to bulk it up a bit. As I spoke about earlier on Facebook, I wanted to give you guys more. So here's the new kind of style. It'll look a little bit different in your inbox. The travel update will normally be a lot bigger than this, but obviously you know I'm not traveling much because of my book. That's all going to end in 4 weeks, so very exciting. So I'm going to give you travel updates, a full book update with my word count at the start of each month, the struggles, any self-doubt I'm having, like will you like it, how I'm getting over writer's block, things like that, some great photos, obviously. Then I'm going to include plans for the following month, which will be a lot longer, next month, etc., because plans for February is just riding. And then I decided to include something called Question of the Month. So I take a really common question and answer it for you on here. Then obviously include my Instagram features and things like that. So yeah, I think you should definitely go to my website and sign up for this. If you want, it's only once a month. You don't have to, obviously, but if anyone's interested, wow, 898 days since I left England. Crazy! But yeah, so go sign up on my website if you want to, and let me know what you think of the newsletter this month. I won't be doing this every month, so you won't get to see next month's on here. Let me know if you're liking the new layout and what I've included in it. I'm really happy with it, so let me know. And if you have anything you'd like to see in there, let me know that as well, because I like to do things like question of the month, or maybe I could do tip of the month. Yeah, let me know. I'm quite proud of it. I just thought I'd catch you up and fill you in. Bye! I love you.